Section 9, Tilt Angle and Solar Panel Alignment. Lecture number 3rd, Solar Panel Alignment Part 3rd. Learning objectives of the lecture 3rd. Learner should able to understand different method of alignment of solar panel. In this lecture we will going to discuss different method of panel alignment. In this first animation, we have shown this panel alignment method. This is a tilt angle, the angle of solar panel which is made with the horizontal line. This is a tilt angle. This tilt angle varies with latitude to latitude, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This is another kind of mechanism that is called as a tracking mechanism. Basically, we are using the tracking mechanism to get a direct sunlight focused at an angle of 90 degree over a solar panel. In a day, when Earth is rotating, that time there is a movement of a sun from east to west. Therefore, according to the movement of a sun, the panel are going to track the sun in a such a way that the light falling over a solar panel, it should be at an angle of 90 degree. So in this animation it has shown that solar panel angle is varying. With respect to solar panel angle variation, we are getting the output. Remember one thing, that as the solar radiation is falling at an angle of 90 degree over a solar panel, we are generating more power comparing to the fixed tilt angle method. This is a third animation. Here a pole type of system we are using, just like a rooftop type of solar system. This is another kind of solar system. In this case, the whole panel system is going to tilt according to the sun's movement. Sun is moving from east to west. This tracker is just tracking the solar radiation so that the solar radiation will fall over a panel at an angle of 90 degree. This is a next animation. In this animation, the solar panel is moving to and fro direction towards the east and west side. By using a motor, the solar panel is going to rotate. This is some kind of a costly mechanism to get a solar radiation directly falling over a solar panel to generate a maximum electricity.